channel. It's Maya, and I'm here with a video, and today we are going to be going over sanitation, because for some people think sanitation is something that you can play with, and it's not. It's really one-on-one. You should be doing sanitation from jump, pretty much. I know everybody doesn't have the resources to go to nail school, or they don't know where to buy certain like books and textbooks and stuff, so I'm just gonna go over it with you guys, and there are 3 steps to remember. It's just, we're going to clean, we're going to disinfect, and we're going to sterilize. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and grab everything so y'all can see visually, and I'll explain why we're going over it visually, because I'm not trying to make no long video. So yes, I will meet y'all in the bathroom, and we'll be right on back. All right, you guys, I'm in my bathroom, and it is time for me to show y'all how to clean this stuff. So for the first step of cleaning, all you're going to need is some soap, a hard bristle brush, some water, and your implements, of course. Okay, so for the first step in cleaning, all you're going to need is your hard bristle brush and some soap, and you're going to scrub all of your implements. You're going to scrub up the shaft where your hand always touch. You're going to scrub in the holes, every facet, every point. Scrub, 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 scrub. Now you're going to rinse your implements thoroughly, and you're going to set it down on a clean surface. So I'm just going to fold up a paper towel and set it over there until I'm ready for the next step. When it comes to your cuticle pusher, you want to make sure you scrub that really well, because on the tips right there, sometimes it'll be some leftover dead skin. Okay, so now for our nail clippers. Our nail clippers have joints, so you want to make sure that you move everything. Scrub, 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 and turn. Scrub, 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 and turn. Scrub, 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 and turn. And you want to make sure you get in the inside. You want to get everywhere. Everywhere, girl. No dirt is allowed. Same thing when it comes to your nippers. You see, there's like 2 sides, and there's 4 little pockets where it can all get dirty. Each side, you gotta get it all there. So you gotta open and close and open and close and scrub in there, because you gotta get everything out. You don't want residue from any previous person on these nippers, because if there's any debris or dirt on the implement, once you put it in your disinfectant isn't sanitary anymore. And then if you're putting several implements in contaminated disinfectant, nothing is clean. Now that everything is clean and rinsed off, we're going to dry everything, and then we are going to put it in our disinfectant box. Now let's get into this barbicide container. That's the next step. We're going to be doing disinfection. Now that we have all of our implements clean of all debris and residues, we're going to go ahead and put it in our barbicide container. Now you make your solution based off of what your directions say, and you leave it in there for as long as your directions say. Most directions say 10 to 15 minutes. Mine is only 10. So I like this container better than the barbicide container where you pull up and out, because everything's in here. Like, I know it's not gonna fall in the solution. I'm not gonna need to dig through that. And I have that issue with the other one. So once you close it, it goes down. Once you open it, it pushes up. So my instructions only say 10 minutes. So Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
And we'll be back. Alexa, turn off. Okay. These are done being disinfected. So now I'm going to take this out. I'm gonna rinse it and dry it. All right, so now that I'm getting everything dried, I'm gonna open up my sterilization box. All you wanna do is make sure that everything is dry before you put it in here. has this little silicone thing so you don't scratch it up with your pointy stuff. And I got this off of Amazon. You can just look up sterilization box on Amazon because they got all types. They do the exact same thing. It's just a different brand, and some of them are cheaper. Some of them are more expensive. That's really the only difference. So I say look it up, find which one you like. And they have some that only take 3 minutes. The one I got is 3 minutes, so it costs more. And then they have some that take 15 minutes and they cost less. But I was like, nah. And then they also have like UV light wands, because that's what it is that sterilizes it, is the UV light. And you could just use that. Those are significantly cheaper, but I don't know how long you have to hold it, because you physically have to hold it. So keep that in mind. I say just get one of these, because if you were traveling somewhere, you could easily pack this, and it's flat. So then you press the button and it's gonna talk to you.
Sterilizing.
Okay, and it's gonna take 3 minutes, and it's gonna light up all the way around, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, after the stuff is done sterilizing, we're gonna put it in a sterilization pouch. I got these from my local nail supply store. It comes 200 to a box out, $4. So I'll get up close so y'all can see it, because I don't know if they have this on Amazon anywhere, but it's called Red, and it's called rednaildesigns.com. So if y'all want to look it up, oh, I lied, $5. But that's the nail supply store I go to, and they don't have a website. I've been telling her to get a website because she got a whole bunch of good stuff. But yes, we need one of these. Okay, so now we're going to open our sterilization box. Everything is sterilized. And everything is dry. So I'm not gonna need that. So in my sterilization pouch, I always put my little nail clippers, and then I get my nippers because they fit in between like that. Then you always want the pointy end of things to be facing upward. So towards the open side. Pointy end, not pointy end. Come on, focus for me, baby. Focus. You don't do what I tell you, huh? Okay, so pointy end, not pointy end. Facing up. So they sit in there like this. No, just let it. Gravity, take them down. Move out of the way. Okay, so put that in there. Has a little sticky piece. Take that off. And then it doesn't have a dotted line. My other box has a dotted line to fold across. And you just want to close it. And then bam, bam, turkey down. Okay. So now you have a sterilization thing. And then when you have a client, you can pull this out. And they're going, oh, you're so clean. They're going to feel special. And all of that. It's going to really look like you got your stuff together. Because, like, wow, she has these pouches. Even some of the nail shops that I go to don't have these pouches. But she got these pouches. And she going to come back to you. And that's going to help you build your clientele. It's the experience. That's how I feel about it. The experience, I want to feel like I'm important. Like, everything is clean for me. Personally. It just makes people feel good. And they're like, yeah, she clean. She got sterilization pouches. That's what they always say. Ooh, she clean. She got sterilization pouches. Get you some sterilization pouches. $5 for a box of 200. Get you some. And make sure that you be clean in all things, okay? I'm wobbling. Okay, you guys, I hope you learned something today, or you got some reassurance about the way that you're already doing things. Just gonna remind y'all, I'm not making this up. I got this out of my Milady textbook that I got from when I went to nail school. My nail school didn't teach us sanitation. You have to read and learn it on your own. So based off this book, this is what you're supposed to do. So remember, you have to clean first, and that you need to disinfect and sterilize. And make sure you wash your hands before every step, because there is no point of cleaning with dirty hands. Negative and a positive, still a negative, you know? Just as well with that. So yes, I hope y'all learned some stuff. I hope you up your game when it comes to your sanitation, because honestly, sanitation isn't just for your client, it's for you too. You have to make sure that you're clean and everything. And it's COVID season. I would hate for you to get somebody some type of infection. Now they immune deficient, they get COVID and die. I would just hate for that to be on your conscience for the rest of your life. Okay, so I hope to see y'all in the next video. If there's anything y'all want me to go over, just let me know. I'm not out here giving false information, I promise. I read over my textbook and everything before I get up on here. So I hope you guys have a good day, and come back to my next video, and make sure you follow me on my socials. They might be on the screen, they might be in the description bar. Go on a scavenger hunt real quick, it won't take you long, I promise. Okay.